Hey guys, Barry here from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we got listing for a 2015 Contender 32 ST powered by twin Yamaha 300s. This is a 2015. The hull is in great shape. No cracks, gel coat's in great shape. This boat's always kept under a cover. We have covers for the helm, the dash, and the forward helm seating there in front of the console. All the electronics were just updated on this boat with Simrad. Large Simrad screens, new Icon VHF radios, Simrad autopilot, Yamaha command link gauges. We have a FLIR, Simrad open array radar, black oak LEDs. Right now you'll see a 5-piece isinglass enclosure. It also has 2 additional pieces for your really colder months, so you're fishing all the way in through December or January. 2 live wells on the transom swim access door, plenty of index storage, tons of tackle storage, frigid slide out cooler here. Walking forward in the console, there is a small head with freshwater sink. Really nice finished gel coat in here. This boat is equipped with the forward seating, so you get more storage area and seating. So if you're not fishing, you're at the sandbar, dock and dine, plenty of options. Anchor locker, rod holders all around, a few extra added, a few 0 degrees with swivels as well. Here you can see the FLIR, light bar, open array radar, carbon fiber outriggers. That's your console seating here. Tons of index storage, plenty of fish boxes, plenty of storage. If you're going offshore, get your sword gear, tile fish, tunas, everything you need. Again, this is a 2015 Contender 32 ST, twin Yamaha 300s. I'm Barry from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Give me a call. Have a good one. Bye.